It's only an experiment for now, but the technology could be used more widely if it works. Ford factory workers in the U.S. will wear buzzing wristbands to help maintain social distancing, the Bloomberg News agency has reported. Initially, only 12 workers will take part in the experiment wearing the watch-like or fitness-like wristbands. The devices are supposed to vibrate when employees come within 6 feet of each other, a Ford spokesperson told the news agency. Ford says if the experiment proves successful and the technology is effective, the devices could be used more widely once it recommences production on its U.S. assembly lines after a 6-week shutdown. It is unclear at this stage if the technology has been offered to other companies or could eventually become available to members of the public. The aim is to keep workers from breaching the distance that health experts recommend to avoid spreading the coronavirus, Bloomberg reported. Ford is also likely to subject factory workers to a thermal imaging scan to detect a fever, a practice rolled out at other production facilities around the world, not only in the car industry. The report said Ford will also provide staff with masks and, in some cases, plastic face shields.